My name is Kyara. I am a student of class 2. Today I am going to experiment on volcanic eruption with the help of a working model. So I would request you all to pay full attention on my experiment. So as you all can see, I have made a dummy volcanic landform to give it a better explanation. Material used. Number 1, baking soda, which is commonly used for baking. Number 2, vinegar. Here I am using common white vinegar. Number 3, red food color to give it a volcanic effect. See, what is a volcano? Why do volcanoes erupt? Effects of volcanic eruption. Volcanoes in India. See, I have made a volcano. Pros and cons of volcanoes. So come on, let's start the experiment. So first I am taking baking soda. Now I am taking few drops of red food color. Now I will take baking soda, vinegar. So see how the lava is coming out from the volcano. When we mix baking soda with vinegar, that produce carbon dioxide gas. But please friends, do not try this alone. Thank you.